In this video, I'll show you how to use custom instructions in ChatGPT. So open the ChatGPT. Then click on your account and you will see personalization. You can also access this by going to the settings. Here you can see personalization. Click here and scroll down. Here you can see custom instructions option. You can give any instruction here, like and just click on save. If you click on save, the custom instructions will be set. I hope you got it. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.